Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Railfan Studios, and today I am back on the old main line since May of last time. And since May was a pretty awesome month to catch some trains, I thought maybe July will have something interesting. So that's what we hope here for today. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Railfan Studios, and today I'm here at Old Washington Road here on the old mainline subdivision, and today I'm here to catch myself a CSX train coming along the way, and I know it might have actually been quite some time since I've last have been here on the old main line, but that's I remembered last month I went over to my relatives, but I didn't even catch a single train, which I find so bizarre. But finally, we got ourselves a train here, and we're about to catch it here. So, ladies and gentlemen, here it comes. The train is unknown, but it will be coming around here at any point. So we'll see what the train has to offer. Alright, see you guys on the flip side. So while I was waiting, this deer is staring at us right now. Looking directly at the camera. Alright, I think I had enough teasing about him. Alright, anyways, the train will be coming around anytime, guys, so let's sit back and enjoy it. Alright. Here's the deer again. He's gonna watch us. I don't know if that's a deer. I think that's a Bambi. And he's off. Go do deer things. Right. Alright, guys, you can hear the train now. In case you guys have no idea, I was actually waiting very long for me to hear this train. It took a long time, and I mean, like, it took up to nearly an hour and a half of waiting, but I could hear the chugging noises now, guys. Yep, here it is. Railroad crossings are going off. Alright, guys, here it comes. Oh, it's going really slow. Wow. I wonder why it was. I wonder if it stopped for something. Oh no. ET44 leading this train, it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks like an ET44. Oh, mixed freight. I think I see another unique locomotive back there. I think that's an SD40, but I can't be sure. Looks like that's 3110 that's leading the train. No, 913. It's not an ET44. Alright then. Well, this is definitely a mixed freight, alright. Alright, here we go. 913. Hello, 913 East. M2. M412. 913, 3371, and 6575. EP40-3. It looks like that might have been an ex-Baltimore in Ohio. Alright then. But man, though, I wonder what took the train so long to get here. Usually you don't see trains go this bit slow. Oh, here we go. We got some gondolas going on back there. These gondolas will be something, though. I've seen quite a bit on some Railfanners that they've caught some Penn Central gondolas recently. One more year before all Penn Central rolling stock will be gone. That will be 2026. Oh, here we go. We got a small gondola coming up here. After a Union Pacific reefer car. Love those things. Looks like that's a rail gondola right there. Yep. CSXT. That's a really cute looking tanker car. Look at how cute that was. Yep, we got some more coming up. Another gondola. Might be CSX again. Yep, CSX gondola. Wait, was that a chassis system? I think I've seen that. On that. Okay. Oh, USIS boxcar. Or coal car, I should mention. Alright. Pretty sure this is the only high speed on the train to BNSF. The train likely doesn't have anything else good on it, but wow. Getting loud. Alright, that's it. That's the end of the train down there. Wow. Surprisingly, it not gotten anything. That took a long time. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. So there it is, M412. Yep, definitely. M412 heading out on the old main line, aka 913 East. This is going to be man, that was pretty cool. The long time though was very worth it, I'm not gonna lie. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, the first time in 2025 that I've been here at Cooksville, Maryland, somewhere outside of Woodbine. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. I had to wait for so long to make this one possible. Not so sure if you saw me in the camera, but I'm pretty sure you likely did. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna wrap up your video. This is Mike's Railfan Studio signing off, and I hope you all watching have a great rest of your day. And I'll likely see you all later on tonight or tomorrow for some more train catching. So yeah, just find it quite shocking though that when I went to my relatives on July, I'm sorry, not July, June, I didn't even catch anything. Now that's kind of bizarre, but I'm definitely bound to catch ourselves some good stuff later on. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's about time for me to cut off footage, so hope you all enjoy it and stick around for some more. So see you all next time. Catch you all later.